Hi, my name is Kyoung, and I got my PhD in cognitive and brain science from Seoul National University in Korea. I'm in Chicago right now, but I'm in a transitioning state. So I did my postdoc in the University of Chicago for 5 years, and now I'm transitioning to the education technology space. I will start with this big statement. So hundreds of millions of kids around the world cannot read, write, or do basic math. So these kids have less chance of building a better future for themselves and all of us. So at the University of Chicago, I studied factors that cripple students' math learning, which include math anxiety and math avoidance. So many students fear math, avoid studying math, and avoid careers that use math heavily, like machine learning engineers. So in my research, I let people choose between solving hard math problems for high reward versus easy math problems for lower reward, and found that people with math anxiety avoided high-paying hard math problems and solved the easy ones. So in another word, I cannot even pay math anxious people to do math. But there was a silver lining. I also found that when math anxious people were exposed to hard math problems without choice, like they were given a try. Some of them thought these were not that bad, right? It's just fear that prevents you from doing, but once you actually start doing it, it's not that bad, right? It's often the case, and started to approach hard math problems. So this is kind of well known in the literature as exposure therapy, which is a common approach for people who are afraid of spiders. Like have you heard of spider phobics, right? And then like when a therapist created some positive experience that can convince people that engaging with spiders or math are not that bad, and then sometimes that could be fun, and then like those phobia kind of can go away. And then that's what I also observed during my study, that like, when people were math anxious people were exposed to hard math problems, some of them like started to approach. So I think this is where the power of technology and fun games can come in. So by creating fun, engaging learning games for math, reading, and perhaps coding and writing, we can create positive experience for students so that they are motivated to learn and perhaps teach themselves. You saw kids playing games for themselves for hours. So what if if those games are beneficial for their learning as well? That will be fantastic, right? And then, moreover, the technology is becoming cheaper, more accessible every day. So hopefully, every kid could benefit from this kind of fun, engaging learning games, and perhaps create a better future for themselves and all of us.